Yeah, yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pedestrians on a road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day. Cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed.
What is up? Yo, yo. Oh, don't tell me CloudBot's not working again. Streamlabs, CloudBots. There we go. One second, guys. Just trying to get this set up here. There, what's up? Miss K in the house. What's going on? Right on time. Design. Always grinding. What's up? What's up? Let's have a green day. We had a green day today. Nice. It's always nice to come out of FOMC unscathed. Mr. Tactical, what's going on? Coach Fred, Apex Pine, yeah. So I passed, what, 3 Apex accounts today? Pretty nice. Passed 3 Apexes. Nice daily payouts coming again tonight. So this is 2 days, or 4 days in a row. Let's check that out. So here's some of the trades I took today. So basically this was the open, right? So we pushed down right off that inside outside bar. I went short. Took a nice scalp for about 20 points. We pushed down. We popped back up with this harami. I went long. I ended up adding more here. And then I took it off up towards the VWAP. And I was done. That was pretty much it for this morning's session. I really didn't trade much after that. I ended up pretty much max consistency green on my Lucid accounts, and I also ended up max, or not max, but I wish it was more max on my pro accounts. Here's today's pro accounts right here. So another 1,000 each on those. So I'll be taking that payout tonight. And yeah, so it was a good day. And then I ended up buying some accounts with Apex 90% off right now. It's back, guys. 90% off Apex. Use code PINE. I ended up buying 6 accounts. Went 6 for 6, and plus that 250K that I was working on last night. I ended up sending that one as well. And basically just caught the long. You can see right here. So this is the FOMC candle. I had a bracket set up for the long, and it filled here, took off, took profit. I still needed like another 200 bucks. Some reason that I got some slippage or I didn't calculate it right or whatever, and then ended up kind of like scaling in and out, and ended up getting the rest of that 200. But yeah, went 6 for 6, so pretty sweet. No hedging. So yeah, that's what we got going. Thank you, Fiber Splice, Coach Fred. Yeah, I passed 6. Yeah, I passed 6. Pharaoh or Mo, what's going on? Trader 007 in the house. Design. Smoked them all on micros too. Special kind of stupid. Yeah, I've done the same thing. I go, man, I blew these accounts, but I was still trading. I was only trading micros. Well, you know, when you have 30, 40 micros going, sometimes. SJP in the house. What's going on? Tried Apex on the FOMC, got smoked after I was up a little bit on it. Oh, TT, yeah, it was not. I mean, it's easy to blow accounts on that FOMC stuff. I mean, they're so volatile. So volatile. SJP's in the house. Fiber Splice. TTBZ. Trying to get this top step half done. Nice. It's a little half or smash. Yes, smash the. So we're gonna do a giveaway tonight, guys. I figure the guys probably one of you guys might need it. Just saying. So we'll do a giveaway tonight. ! Pine if we get the likes up. So smash that like button. 180 likes equals a giveaway. Oh, hey, we got a new member, Tony. Thank you so much for the membership. I appreciate that. Thank you for the support. Armin just bought 100K Apex. Let's go. All right, what we got going on here? We got market opening up here soon. The old Lucid's fired up here. Get the Apex fired up. Let's see, we need the DOM up there. Okay, market's open, guys. Good luck. Gap down. So small gap down. There was some earnings tonight too, right? Or Oracle or something. There was some Oracle earnings. All right, we don't want to go 7 minis, not yet. All right, see if we can fill that gap. There is a small gap down here. All right, why is my histogram showing? Everything seems to be messed up. I can't get CloudBot to work right. Oh, there we go. Kind of fill the gap and pull him back here. I'm gonna take a little, it's a little risky, risque. So if we can take a little scalp into that. This is on an eval only. This is an Apex eval. 250K account. We're gonna swing for the fences on it. What's up, Mr. Smith? Starboy, what account we're giving away? So, your choice. Any size Apex account or a Lucid account. Candle eraser move? Yeah, for sure. What's up, Smokey? Nice. Chewy in the house. What's going on? Do I trade inside candles all day on the 5-minute chart off the ground? No. No, I don't. So I am I trade inside bars are just kind of part of my arsenal. So I'll trade inside bars, outside bars, Harami candles. And I do trade discretionary. I'm looking for bull flags, bear flags, things like that as well. So I do have a few systematic trades, like the first inside bar of the day. But yeah, it's not the only thing. Fill the gap, pull him back. Maybe we get up here and fill this 789 to 790. All right, pulling back here. Woof. You see it came down and filled those zero prints so quick. Just kind of whipped down and filled them. You know, this is a little hindsight action here. Or not hindsight, but now I'm looking at this. We have a gap down here, 33s. Very good chance we come back and take out the FOMC candle, 600s at some point. Don't know if it's gonna be right now. That was a pretty good gap. I wonder if we... The only thing that makes me a little hesitant going short is a 790, 789, 25. Yeah, Apex is 1 day to pass. Yeah, yeah, you can pass or smash it. That's what we did today. It was a beautiful thing. I love that. It's not good trading. I mean, all it is, I went 10 minis. I went 10 minis, what, 15 points off from, pretty much off the FOMC. You know, it's just a way to pass super quick. So I've shown this before on like how I pass evals super quickly, especially the 1 day pass ones. But like I said, it's like if you're a newer trader, passing an eval, doing something like that, it's not going to help you get to a payout. So that's why I don't really like showing it so much. But yeah. Yeah, I hear you, TD. Dude, Tradeify, if I had some accounts. Starboy, I ain't got no accounts. Giveaway. You know what's funny? Tradeify is one of my lower affiliates. You guys don't really use Tradeify, my Tradeify code that much, which is a little surprising, but so they don't want to give me, they don't really give me accounts. They don't give me the love. Autumn 9, what is up? What's up, Helpful? Orlando? Rain Ray, what's going on? What's up, everyone? Juan? Welcome, guys. Tradeify? Tradeify's good. Tradeify's great. Golf Guy Mike in the house. What's going on, Golf Guy Mike? Shown Spaces. Hey, Jack Boom. Peter, what's up? Don't forget to smash the like if you guys are just tuning in. We'll do a giveaway at 180 likes. We usually have over 200 people watching, so we should be able to get to that no problem. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. I'll give away a Lucid account or any size Apex account. I gotta check to see what Lucid accounts I have that I can give away. They gave me a few. But then I want to say some. I figured FOMC you guys could use a giveaway. Alright, looks like we might put in an inside bar. I will take it. We'll see. I would like to take the long if we have an inside bar break, long break, and then scalp into the 90s, the 89s, even the 85s here. Get that zero print there too. I think this low could be run as well, 758, and then we have the gap down here, 732. I'm going to the well one more time. Trying to push up against that VWAP. Hey, ICT. 40 degrees in North Florida. No, that's no good. No bueno. It's Kino, so they're 90% off. Yeah. They should be about... What's the promo say? So if you put in code PINE, it should be $19 and something. 60 cents, I think. Zane in the house. What's up? Oh no, Zane's gone to the dark side. He's gone to the dark side. What's up, Zane? Silver is killer? Yeah, yeah. Let's take a look at gold real quick. God, I can't get anything going with this this account. This account might get smashed. Just be forewarned. Gold kind of just kind of diddling in the middle with gold. But yeah, silver's wild. Silver's, I can't, that's just too much. I guess that micro silver wouldn't be too bad. Arton and I are gonna go eat a steak. Let's go, Design. You just add a silver to your watch list. Silver is wild. Definitely, you definitely can pass some accounts. So, ICT, it was a great day. Yeah, $2,000 in payouts, daily payouts, and heavily max green on the Lucid accounts for consistency, and then I passed 6 Apex accounts. So green 100% across the board until now. You may ask why you choose to stream so early instead of waiting until 7 or 8 p.m. Rain rate. It's just due to the stream. Yeah, it's just I started streaming the Globex Open, and I went from like 15 people watching to like 200. So, yeah. It's not for it's not for the good price action, that's for sure. All right, we're pushing down, possibly going to fill this gap. I'm DCAing. Close your eyes on this eval. I do mostly do your daily payouts with TPT. Yeah, TPT is my favorite prop firm. Yeah, for sure. What happened with my Funded Futures? I blew them. Yeah, I only got, for funded accounts right now, I just got Apex, Lucid, and Take Profit Trader. Got 5 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts, which is sweet. I'll show them now. But I'll add a little bit as I go. So I'll just add accounts as I go. Trade of 8. So we are short on Nasdaq. We are close to blown. So these accounts right here are over the buffer, and so I've been taking daily payouts 4 days in a row out of these. Some nice ones too, and then these ones are all past. So I'll have 5 pro accounts. I'd love to get all 5 over the buffer, and that'll be sweet. Still got 3,000 in max drawdown on this account. All right, we filled the gap. Man, it is really kabooshing, guys. Well, this might be it for this account. Trying to add on that gap fill. This is not, I do not condone this trading. We're leaving single zero prints all down, up and down through here, so let's see. Maybe we run that whole data candle. Maybe we run the whole thing. See if we get a little bounce here. TJP in the house. This count might be no longer. Let's get a little bounce to those zero prints. Come on. Bounce it. Hard rejection on the 1 hour, yeah. How much is the Apex or eval resets? $60. So it's not really worth it. You're better off just buying another one for 20 bucks, or like $19. I think, right? I think they're 60 bucks. Believe it or not, I'm down what I made today on this account. The problem is the intraday trailing. That's the problem. I made like 3,700 on it or something like that, 3,600. All right, come back for this zero print here. Let's get that. Take off one. Come on, just tag it out. 35.25. Come on. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. We'll do a giveaway at the end of the stream. A Lucid account or any size Apex account. And I'll check to see what kind of Lucids I can give away. Maritime trades. Great. I had a great day today. Not so much on this account, but I had a great day. Yeah, massive green. $2,000 payout. Daily payout. What's up, show 'em? Sorry guys, I haven't been reading the chat. I'm just like trying to focus on this idiotic trade that I'm in. This is not even how I usually trade, which is just ridiculous, but for the stream, right? I show you what not to do. Lucid is fire. I love them. I do too. Yeah, Kino. It's any size Apex account. So the promo should be. The promo should be flashing on the screen somewhere. Should be a promo, Apex promo. So trade up to 20 accounts to the old Apex, or copy trade up to 20 accounts. Alright, just gonna put in an inside bar here, see if we can get just a little pop to the upside. I'm not looking for much. But man, it does not want to go. Feeling very heavy. That first inside bar paid. Good thing I was long, right? Alright, hopefully we get a little pop to the upside. Kind of take off a little of this risk. If not, then this account will be reset. Well, the bleeding has temporarily stopped. It's trying to buy, catch a bid here. Looking for 735.25 to take some off. Come on. Kind of bear flag in here. It still left a small gap up there. Just a tiny one. Just a small gap. Market froze. Any full port rules on Apex evals? No. No. There's no full port rules. Reset with Copine, that's right. No, this is not good. This is embarrassing. Sorry. I can't have a fully green day. I gotta have one casualty. Am I trading static or full? What's the difference? Andri, so static account is, so the drawdown doesn't move, so it stays static. So let's just say you start off with $500 of static drawdown, and the next day you make $500. Now you have $1,000 of drawdown, and so on. Apex has intraday trailing, so what happens is that, let's just say you have a 50K account with the regular intraday. You start with $2,000 in drawdown. So if it goes, so say you're in a trade and it goes up $2,000 intraday, so in the same day, and it comes back to your trade comes back to zero, you actually lose the account. You blow the account because it's intraday trailing. So with Apex and intraday trailing accounts, I like to do a lot of scalping with like heavier size. Just give me that 735.25. Get some off the board here. What's gold up to? Not doing much. A little push down on gold. Let's go YM. Is YM pulling back as well? No. Not yet. Another inside bar. Need to go to the bar for a drink. Me too. What a good day. So like I really am proud of myself and stayed disciplined and not traded. I did not trade any of my funded accounts during FOMC. I put out a tweet saying I will not trade my green funded accounts. I will not trade my green funded accounts. I just like on repeat, just because like it was so tempting. But I was like, oh, I'm like, thankfully like Apex is so cheap, so I'm gonna buy some cheap evals and then send it. So that was a nice thing. This is my tweet. Do not trade my green funded. Do not trade my green funded. Do not trade my green funded. If you guys haven't followed me on Twitter yet, give me a follow if you want. Twitter's growing. My Twitter is growing. Yeah, it's up to like 1,152 people. Not too bad. I cannot believe we just didn't fill that. X-Pine. Yeah, that's sorry. Miss K. Yeah, it's X. For you kids out there, it's X. He's up and down like a whoa wada. Yeah. Yeah. I was talking to someone else today that was trading, and they were up and down like a yo-yo too. Very exhausting. Yeah, if it's either gonna blow or go. Come on. 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, I'm taking advantage for sure. Use code Joom. Use code Pine. Let's go. How many you guys lose any accounts today on the FOMC? Trying to smash or pass them. How'd you guys do today? You guys finish green? You guys finish red? Like, I figured there was a lot of casualties, so that's why we want to do a giveaway tonight. Brown and yellow, yeah. Blow or go. Oh no, green to blown SJP. Yeah, that is the worst. I've been there so many times though. So many times. I can tell you the reason why I didn't trade my funded, especially these accounts. So I made, like I said, like up 1,000 on each one of these, and for a daily payout. And the reason why is because I made a post about it to you guys. And the last time I went to make a post about it, so I made a post a few days ago about the daily payouts, and the next thing you know, I go and I trade them that afternoon, and I get in a drawdown and almost lost my daily payout. I call it post degeneracy. It's like an influencer thing. It's like the post degeneracy. So after I made the post, so this today I made the post and I said, all right, I'm not trading it. So thanks guys, saved me from me. And tilt ended up super green. Oh, nice. Yeah, tilt can go both ways, Kyle. So yeah, I appreciate your honesty there, because tilt can go both ways. You can go tilt and be super green because you're on tilt. You finish red, nothing wrong with that. Frida made 90 on my top step, smoked an Apex on FOMC. Let's go TDBZ. Nothing wrong with that. Let's go Rage GT. Blue 2 at 25Ks. Thanks guys for sharing. 0 trades today because account blown overnight. Because you already blew the account, yeah. Oh, gold saved you at the end. Nice. Fiber Splice lost 1. Lost TPT, still bleeding money. JLD 54. J-Man's is deep in longs. Oh, nice. Thank you. Thanks, guys, for your honesty. I like it. Thank you, subs. Hack and Mighty Mouse. Thank you so much for the subs. What is the fees if you pass Apex? So, the fees are... it's right there. It should be right there on the board, but it is 25K, 50Ks, and 100Ks. Our $65 activation fee. So it's $84.60 all in. 150K, 250K, and 300K is the 125 activation fee. So all the eval sizes are $19.60 to start. Thank you, Miss K. Penguin, what's going on? His Royal Trades, what's going on? Smash the like button, guys. Yes. Smash the like button. Let's get up to 180 likes. We'll do a giveaway towards the end of the stream. Had a great day today. I want to give back to you guys. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the 5,000 subs. How amazing is that? And this is, if you guys are just tuning in for the first time, a lot of times I am red. There's a good chance I am red. Some days I finish big green. Sometimes I pass accounts on stream. Sometimes I blow accounts on stream. This is not my style of trading. This is very poor trading. This is me just trying to DCA myself out of this trade. So it is what it is. It is what it is, like Nutty says. Apex sales only for the first month. Yes, so 90% off only for the first month. So 50% off recurring. So make sure you cancel. All right, let's just take out this zero print here. Get me out at least 3. You're not gonna do it again? 35.25, you're not gonna take that out? Come on. When I say zero print, this is what I'm looking at. See this gap? How there's no number here? I like it so much that I'm gonna take it. See if I can get a few points in that. And you'll lucid. Get a little pullback here. Very much a bear flag here though, guys, so definitely not liking it. Alright, let's see if I can get a scalp into that. Get up there. I am long. I'm gonna lucid as well. Just hopped in. Looking to take out that 735.25 for a little scalp. Just do it. Hey, Chris, what's up? We are great today. We're doing great. Come on, come to Daddy Hendrix. Yeah, SK, he's a character, huh? He's quite the character. So I do watch that usually when I'm eating dinner, eating supper. Well, I watch a little SK sometimes. Cracks me up. Last night he was yelling at someone. One of his, I'm assuming, students or workers or something. He was yelling at. It's like, why are you trading silver? Why are you trading silver? Kept going on and on. Like, why are you trading silver? I told you not to trade silver. Yeah, what are you, crazy? What are you, nuts? What are you, nuts? He's, yeah. Ethan in the house. What's going on, guys? So many members. Thank you so much for the memberships, guys. Joe's yelling at someone. Yeah, I'm too old for this. Yeah, that was funny. He's like, Denny, get rid of that. Get rid of the poll. I can't see the chat. Yeah. You sure? Why not? What are you doing? Hand on the mouse. Yeah, the dude's got some cool sayings. I love it. He's like 0 Day J. 0 Day J has all kinds of 0 Day J isms, and SK's got a bunch of SK isms, all kinds of different things. You know, so they have their own vocabulary. It's hilarious. We're talking about SK on My Funny Futures TV. SK, Stephen Kalasian. I can't really pronounce his name, but Kalasian, yep. Kiwi, yeah, good luck on this trade. I know. It's not looking too good, is it? Thank you, sir. Or lady. Not really sure. Thank you. Very, very, very poor trading here. Fill the coolers. TTBZ, yeah, 0 Day J. For sure. How was your gold trades? The gold trade, I don't think I didn't really trade gold today. Yeah, I didn't trade much gold today. I don't think I traded at all. I think I might have traded some last night, but yeah, NQ was enough for me tonight. Can we just take out that 725 here? Make me feel a little better. But very much bear flagging here. Not looking great. We did just test that little Tory tan line here. We'll see. This is more of a hope strategy. It's at this point. I am long on the funded though. Just looking for that, like a 6-7 point scalp here. Boy, it stopped like a brick. It's just like a brick wall here. We just stopped dead. Just consolidating, going sideways. $7 p.m. liquidity. That it'll be gone. It'll either be smashed or not pass, but yeah, something. Basically, it breaks this low. We're done. Like, out of this trade. It's cooked. So. Let me place your order and let the market jump. I know. Someone that wasn't trading well today, go short right now. Help me out. Alright, come on. Get up there. Just a 7:30.25, just 7:30 is just consolidating. Big time. Alright, this is looking better. Come on. Now it's time to take out that 7:35.25. Let's do it. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Also, you have to smash that like button. Giving away any size Apex account or a Lucid account. Your choice. Like watching the movie Cliffhanger? I know, this is stupid. You're supposed to just do this. You just pull this over. And you go, oh! Just took it out. 7:25. So a quick $600 on the funded, so that's nice. Next zero print we got up there 748.25, which is right up towards that VWAP. So yeah, nice little so that little scalp there. Now what you're seeing on the screen is really dumb, but just no patience. So that little scalp there from into that 735 was a pretty nice trade. I was in pretty heavy on these funded accounts, but all three fundeds are looking good. 602, so good start on those. This one not looking so good though. I should just close this out because I don't like it. Do we have a champ pip? I don't know. I mean, sheesh. Pretty weak. Pretty weak. Yeah, a big rejection there. Off that 740. I might just close this out. This sucks. I essentially lost what I made today on this account. 3,700 I made. Now I'm down 3,700, and yeah, I got $3,000 left in drawdown if I close out right now. Easy come, easy go. Right back to that 730s. Just loving this 730 area. We could just run that 602 at some point. The market loves to run those data candles. And so that 602 low on the FOMC loves to run that. Ready for the flush? I know, I feel like that. Feel like it's coming. We got the top of the hour here in right about 7 minutes. It's like Tory Trades. I'm holding through some massive drawdown here. Whoops. Did I say that out loud? Sorry, Tory. Sorry, Tory Trades. There they are. Eddie Trader, did you ask me a question? Missed it. Ethan, I don't know. They don't really talk about it much, but that's kind of crazy, isn't it? At this point, she's got such a massive following that whatever she does is not going to matter. She's got a huge following. She went live the other day, and it was just, there was like crazy amount of people watching, like 10,000 people. It was nuts. I know, Pawn. I got my finger on the trigger, like to reverse my flip the switch here, but man, I don't know. I think it just could very well could be SJP. Yeah, there's a lot of that goes on. A lot of that. Ethan, yeah, exactly. Exclamation point Pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. Any size Apex account, any size Apex account or a Lucid account. We'll give away one account tonight. Like I said, I'm hoarding some accounts to give away, and so I want to do a massive Christmas giveaway thing coming up. I have a special guest that's going to come on with me to do some giveaways. I'm thinking week of Christmas, right? So like in a week and a half, the week of Christmas, we'll do a massive giveaway. Okay. Another inside bar. We are just chopping to 730 bad. Doesn't really want to go up. Doesn't really want to go down anymore. The bleeding has stopped. We got 4 minutes till top of the hour. Might see a little injection. Market loves to do this. Take your money and then go sideways. If you caught the short, congratulations. A beautiful short off that inside bar. Too bad I didn't take it. Have you ever heard of them? Inside bars? 5 minute? I know a guy that used to trade these a lot, but then... yeah, we need something. So let's look at gold here. Ooh, gold pumping up here a little bit. Right off that VWAP. We got YM pushing down. YM's pushing down. We got ES. ES is... oof. ES is looking weak. Let's take a look at the hourly here. Just a massive rejection off the hourly. Like Pon was saying. Just had a premonition that you were going to rig this. I'm gonna rig it in your favor. Can this be called a manifestation? Yeah, gotta manifest it. That's right. W luck, it could be. Yeah, we could have a nice day tomorrow. We'll see. We get a little pump up. Yeah, I know, Fawn, I know. As soon as you close it, it'll dump 50 points, I know. Oh, absolutely, Big Cat, yeah. Hindsight. I like to sit there. I like to sit there at night sometimes after the market closes, and I'll just look at the chart. And I just go, I like to see all the ways that I could have made money that day. I will do that sometimes. It does help. It gives you a little confidence in the setup, in your setups. You go, that was a nice setup. I should have took it. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. But yeah. For the stream, Digital Nukes, you long ES, you wild. Good luck. ES is pumping, nice. Red in the house. What's going on? I only see ways to lose money. That's, yeah. Corey, the phone trader. He's a cool guy. All right, get the all right, I'm out. How much the drawdown I got? 2,400 here. See the old Tokyo Open here. Alright, we are full port here. It's either going to be a smash or pass now. Let's see if we can run that candles low. We broke this outside bar here, breaking this bear flag. So I am reversing. I flipped the switch here. I'm short. See if we can run that. Yeah, this is a 250K. Big dog. I never really managed to pass. I've only passed a few 250Ks and a few 300Ks in my whole trading career. They're very difficult to pass when you're trying to, pass them very quickly. Because the intraday, I prefer the 50Ks and the 150Ks on Apex. Those are my favorites. Oh, yeah. I know, I'm only down like what I was up today. I was up 3,700 on this account today. Now I'm down 3,900. But with that trailing drawdown, that's what can get you. There we go. There's the flush. See if we can get that pushed down now. Made new session lows. Taking another one off. Stops at break even on the three that's left. Alright, stopped out of that one. So got back some on that. Down 3,000 on this eval. Up 602 on the 3 funded. So mixed right now. I think we still kaboosh. Right down to 710. It makes me a little nervous that 700 could get a little 700 bounce, but take a look at gold real quick. What's gold up to? Gold pushing higher here. Curious what this candle does, whether or not it puts on an inside bar or maybe Harami. I don't know. Be interesting though. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. We got 207 entries into the giveaway, so we must have at least a bunch of likes, right? Must. Let's go. Thank you so much, guys. So yeah, so we'll do a giveaway here in about 30 minutes. Nice pawn. I hope pawn. Hope you didn't close out your short. I hope you got some more of that. A nice trade. Oh wow! You had an alert NQ for 25,655. Just triggered. Nowhere near. That's weird. What kind of alert? Like on Thinkorswim or something. Jake Sunrise, exclamation point pine in the chat. Gary, thank you so much for this. Will I buy more Apex to pass more? Maybe. I'm gonna see how I do with these 6 Apex funded accounts. Maybe 7. If I can get this one passed, but it's not looking good. Chances are probably not right now. We'll see. What do we got? What do we have for news coming up this week? So we got unemployment claims tomorrow morning. I'll be sleeping. 8:30 in the morning. I'll be sleeping. Yeah, I don't know. I think I might just stick with them for now. See if it's been so long since I've been able to get to a payout with Apex. It's unreal. Unreal. So we'll see. My goal is to have Apex, My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader all on Copy Trader, and then just kind of slowly build. Like Nutty Bar style. I'm talking like 3 micros. But I don't know if I can do it. The DJ might come out of me. Kind of set myself up for next year. You know? I'm not the first one to log into Terry's stream. No. I do wake up and I smash the like button on her stream though. As soon as I wake up, I go over and I smash the like button. Lately I've been staying up late. TTBs, you want to slow grind, you might find a future pro account and stack it up. So yeah, the great thing about the pro account is that you can only need to trade it once every 5 days. It can just be a micro flip if you want. But then you can request a payout every 14 days. So there's really no rush. Yeah, it's great. Pro accounts. Congratulations. If you can get 5 of those pro accounts, My Funded Futures, and really build them up, that is the way. Okay, what do we got for the upside? Just curiosity here. We got 58.50, we got 56.50, then we got all kinds of room up here, but not seeing that anytime soon. We'll see though. Wait, what I want to see is like a real flush down and then put in like a hammer harami and then take a reversal. This could push back up to that 730 though if we break above this inside bar. Maybe a little I think play. $720s to $730s. Let's try it. Let's try it. I swept below that inside bar, came back, and it's taken out the opposite side. So this should put in an outside bar. We'll see. Taking a look at gold real quick. Gold pushing up through the highs here. 4,270 and 80 cents. All right, Nasdaq's trying to get a little bounce here. It's trying. Gold's pumping. There goes gold. Right to the moon. Gold taking off here. Nasdaq trying to pump up here a little bit. Look for 728. Little outside bar here. I'm gonna add into this. We are down big time. Let's add. There we go. Taking off two. Get back to that 730s here. Don't just fill that gap and pull back here. I'm gonna add more if we pull back some. So it took the long off that inside bar, put in another outside bar here, which is nice, and See if we can get a little push up in that 730s. I got a runner up there, just in case it wants to go, but overall market looking pretty bearish tonight. You see, we had a gap down. It held a small gap, and so far it's kind of put in a bear flag drop. Just could put in another bear flag drop. It's very well possible, but we'll see. Get a little bounce. Silver at it again. Oh man, Tim Korth in the house. Oh, funded accounts, you have order flow and other features included. Oh, nice. What's up, Gary? Thank you. Traded very well today. Inside 5-minute ORB. No, the 5-minute. Oh, Asia ORB. Yeah. Asia ORB. I gotcha. Yeah, we are right inside the Asia ORB for sure. +2 points on the spread. Yeah. It's getting a little wild. I'm actually gonna add here. I'm banking on that this outside bar is gonna hold. But we are putting in a possible harami here. I don't like that. Let's see how this candle closes. Do I trade minis or micros? I'm trading minis tonight on this Apex eval. Yeah, I'm trading it super aggressively. So yeah, minis. I did trade a lot of micros today though, on the TPT. My for the payout account, I actually traded a lot of micros. Like all those trades this morning were micros. Alright, put in harami here. I don't love that. Which means the body opened and closed within the body of this previous candle. Break to the upside off the harami would be ideal, but the don't like. If we break 17, this might make a new low. So makes me a little nervous. I could close out and just wait. I'm just banking on this outside bar. These outside bars tend to be pretty powerful. Let's go, 345. Yeah. 5 evals for $100. 90% off and use code PINE. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Apex, 90% off. I passed 6 of them today. I bought 6. I passed 6. This one is 250K. I bought the other day. That was an old rebill on a 90% off recurring. These ones are not recurring though, so this is only for the 90% off of the first month. So keep that in mind. Dips and peaks, what's going on? Do I ever feel like I have more accounts than there are opportunities? Yeah, so yeah, kind of what I was trying to say earlier is that I'm looking to build up accounts, funded accounts, and then use TradeSyncer to possibly copy trade them all. You know, I do like to rotate accounts, but I get tired of trading all day and all night. Like, I don't like trying to get those trades in. It could be exhausting. So, and when you trade off a 5-minute chart, you only got so many opportunities. Now, you do have a lot of opportunities throughout the day, even with a 5-minute chart, but I mean, there's only so many. And it's like, what's your win percentage, right? It's like eventually, you know, you're gonna have a losing trade or a losing account or blow up an account or something. You know, even if you rotate them. So, I think having multiple accounts is good for me. But if I do end up copy trading all my accounts, especially with Take Profit Trader, because these two are already over the buffer, then I'm gonna trade smaller with micros like Nutty Bar. That's my inspiration, is Nutty, because, you know, trading the 3-4 micros is all you really need, kind of taking those base hits. But it's gonna be an adjustment. Let's go 3, 4, 5. Let's go Ragnarok. But waiting on your next paycheck to pass them, Ragnarok. Yeah, so you can, if you pass them, then you can just, I think with Apex, I don't remember, you can just sign the document and then wait to pay. I don't really know. But yeah, that's a good idea. Thanks, SJP. These are all past Apex accounts. Is a dream for you, man. Oh, Gary, yeah, you'll get there. I mean, I've been trading since 2021, so I feel you. There, we're getting a little taking profits here. Kind of getting a little bit back from the degeneracy. Kind of like chipping away at it. So what's nice about having the 250K is you get that big drawdown. Back to 3,900 in drawdown. I'd love for it to take out that 729 though. Get a little short squeeze going on. I think 730s is going to be a bit of resistance though. We hung out there for quite a long time. I'm actually going to push some of these up. All right, taking off down to 3 now. Still down. All right, there's that 730. Trying to break that 5-minute ORB, Asia ORB. Get up there. Get a little short squeeze going on. We got to get up out of this this mess here. This little bear flag. If we can get up above here to 740s and above that VWAP, we could run. I'm gonna move that, at least a runner up through there if we can push, but we'll see. Overall, still looking bearish to me, but maybe a temporary short squeeze. We're gonna do a giveaway here in about 15 minutes. If you guys want to enter, it's !pine in the chat, and we'll do that. Gold is absolutely kind of took off. A little surprising. Nasdaq's taken off, or not taken off, but going higher at the moment. Overall, we're down about 0.27%. I do think that we could run this data low at 600 at some point. I don't know when. Maybe tomorrow. Unemployment news. Wouldn't be a bit surprised that we don't just kaboosh and take back this whole move. I've seen it so many times, but I don't really know what's gonna happen. It's just a guess. PDP, yeah, we'll do a moose race here in probably about 15 minutes. I'm gonna try to work my way out of this trade. Let's go 345. Kind of like it. We do have some zero prints up through here as well. Matter of fact, I'm gonna move one of these up here, right to here. Stalling right here at this resistance point, the 730, 740 area on this bear flag. Lot of resistance here. We sat right here for a good amount of time and struggling to get up through there. Robbie Baldwin, what's going on? Thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you guys being here. We are down quite a bit on this account, but we are up on the funded on one scalp. Beautiful thing. So up 602 on the 3 Lucid fundeds, continuing to absolutely crush Lucid. $21,000 in Lucid payouts in a little over a month and a half. Absolutely amazing. All right, I'm out of this trade, I think. Yeah, I'm out. I don't like that reaction right at that resistance point. And yeah, it's still, I mean, this still could be a bit of a bear flag. I'm gonna go short. Short, stop at the swing high here. Could be wrong, but this could be a fake out, but I doubt it. Market's pretty weak. If I can get some of this drawdown back. Possible bear flag break. I'll close the entries for the giveaway in at 6 when it says 6:45 up here. We'll close it. We'll do the moose race. Exclamation point pine in the chat. Smash that like button too. Appreciate it. Come on, let's get a cabooshin'. Small wick at the top of the 5-minute candle, yeah. Hourly looking pretty weak. That was a beautiful rejection off that hourly. Wow. Hindsight, right? But on silver, you have to do micros. One candle on a mini can take you out. Oh yeah, silver. Yeah, if you're not right on that one direction, crazy. Kyle Taylor, 10K last month with him. Awesome, congratulations. Yeah, I'm crushing. Same dude, crushing it with the old Lucid. And crushing it with TPT too. I'm doing very good with TPT. Yeah, my trade evade is on Central. I don't know. John G, yeah. My trade evade's on Central. Alright, get down there. Kyle, you like you have a tough time with intraday? Yeah. So if you're interested in end of day accounts that do daily payouts, you got Tradeify that does end of day daily payouts now. And you also have Trade Day that does end of day. So Trade Day has static accounts and they have end of day accounts that do daily payouts. So those are pretty sweet. Trade Day has static accounts and you can get daily payouts just like Take Profit Trader. If you guys are interested in Trade Day, it's Pine with a capital P. Currently 40% off, no activation fee. Take Profit Trader, 30% off, no activation fee. Pine all caps with Take Profit Trader. And it's if you pass the eval and you make it to a payout, then you get the eval for free with Take Profit Trader right now. That's their promo. I've taken 4 payouts in a row, 4 days in a row with Take Profit Trader, and they've been nice size ones too. Can't complain about that. There we go, taking out 2. Chipping away. See if we can take out the low now. I think I want to have a runner going though. You can take out the low. I kind of want to front run that 700 on a few of these, but if we do take out the low, because you know those psych level bounces, it could bounce, but we are battling back, trying to anyway. We're down about $4,000 on that stupid trade at the open. All right, out of 2 more. Down to, all right, down to 1 contract. Stops at break even on this bad boy. Gonna have to check out those Tradeify end of day accounts. Yeah, they're sweet, Orlando. The only thing, so with Tradeify, yeah, Tradeify end of day accounts. Yeah, yeah, those are sweet. I was thinking trade day, but yeah. Trade day is 30% consistency on the eval, so keep that in mind, guys. We're getting the caboose in here. I front run that 700. Alright, I'm taking it off. We might push to that 700, but we'll take it off. Alright, down 1,364, up 500 on the 600 on the funded. Battling back here. Battling back. I was very irresponsible and was DCAing to death on the open and paid the price. We were down almost, I think at one point we were down like 5,000. I looked at one point, we had $1,000 of drawdown left. So back to 5,000 in drawdown. That's the key point. But yeah, made 3,700 on this account today. So yeah, not that bad. Just really poor trading. And then once we settled in here and did some scalping and kind of battled back here, so. Bear flag after bear flag, so the market pushing down. All right, guys, kind of last call on the giveaway. Yeah, Hans, for sure. 2 times. What's going on? Almost got smoked on an ES long. Yeah, digital. It was a little trappy there. All right, let's wait for the next one. Let's check out gold. Gold consolidating after that big push. Nasdaq testing that 700. Yeah, I think we're gonna test that 602 at some point. Run that data candle. It just feels like it. Thanks, Todd. Yeah, I haven't been trading well on stream this whole week. I fully admit that. It's just, yeah. I don't know. Sometimes you're kind of in a groove. Sometimes you're not. Overall, my trading's been great this week. It's just on stream, it's been very poor. But we'll see if we can battle back. All right, exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. We're gonna do a Moose Race giveaway. Any size Apex account or a Lucid account must be eligible for either one of those, Apex or a Lucid. If you're not, then sorry, you'll be disqualified. I'm not gonna be wiring you money or sending you a MoneyGram, or I've had a few of those requests, believe it or not. Someone wanted me to send them a MoneyGram or something like that. I'm like, huh? Are you kidding me? Yeah, Western Union, exactly. Yeah, yeah, guys. Let's go. She trades. Yeah, any size. Well, you know what? I'm 90% sure it's any size. You know, I gotta double check that actually. I've been saying that all along, but let me double check. Yeah, it doesn't specify, so yeah, it's gotta be any size here. Gotta write down these codes. Little psych level bounce, maybe into 704. Not much, a little small scalp, maybe. Little micro scalp. Maybe. Try it. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the giveaway here. Closing the entries. Thank you so much for being here, smashing that like button, trying to battle back. This account, let's see. Oh, I gotta log in my account here. What is going on? Okay. Hold on. I'm in this trade here. Trying to scalp. Full port. Alright, moose raise. Moose raise. Let's have some fun. Alright, let's start taking heat on that little scalp. Might put an end to that trade. We'll see. Let's not watch it. Let's go! Good luck, everyone. Here we go. This is for any size Apex account or a Lucid account. Let me check out the Lucid accounts, which ones. I don't really know. So worry about it if someone wins, but... Good luck. Kenneth trades on the outside hands. 185 in the middle. We got, who else we got here? Life Begins Today, 2024. Let's go. We got Swift Fox. I see Swift Fox. Good luck, everyone. Must be present to win as well. If you're not present, then no bueno. Here we go, 3 seconds. Who's it gonna be? This is a tight race. Oh, no way. Zane? No way. That's gotta be rigged, right? Zane, congratulations, buddy. Congrats, man. He's a loyal follower. I like that. Congrats. Anyone have a good moose recipe? Oh yeah. Oh man, I love moose meat. Moose meat's so good. I just called the fuzz. Congratulations, Zane. Zane, you're in the Discord, right? Pine likes moose meat. I love moose meat. Oh, it's the Discord link. The link. Put the link here. This is the Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's free for now. No, it's free. If you guys want to join, feel free. Let's see. Zane here. What's up, Zane? All right. Apex or Lucid, Zane? Let's see who finished last. This is always fun. Oh, helpful. You were right up there in the top 3. Dean Bishop, I recognize you too. Sovereignty, all down at the bottom. But you got Con Divergence Master that finished last place. So we're gonna do some more giveaways coming up in a week or so, and that'll be fun. Don't look like my trade's doing well. Let's see. Oh no, liquidated. Feels bad. Killed it. Oh well. We passed 6 today. Failed 1. Not the end of the world. Managed to be up $600 on the old Lucid accounts. Zane's asking which Lucid. It's either a Lucid Flex or a Lucid Pro. So Lucid Flex or a Lucid Pro. Size. It's 25 or 50Ks. You got it, Zane. Let's see. All right, Lucid. Now we get the bounce here. Try to get a little bounce off this Harami here. This is looking a little interesting. For the Harami. Lucid not offered in the Bahamas. Oh, no kidding. She trades. Why am I long again? I'm long again too. Put in this Harami and we'll see. So the giveaway's over, guys. Thank you so much. You can still hang out. So yeah, if you recap, I blew a Apex account. This 250K eval. A little unfortunate. Made 602, and we're hopping in on this trade here. This is a Buellanox account. We're in 2 minis. Another 90% off, 91% off Buellanox eval. So if you guys like Buellanox over Apex, they're at 91% off as well. I think if we fill that 693.50, might take one off. See you, ad. Don't leave me. I was reading something on Twitter. What? Bud. Jake, no, sorry, you did not win. Those 250Ks are insane. 15,000 to pass, $6,000 drawdown. I know. Yeah, if you so I like to catch those. I've passed a 300K before, and I was a full port like during like CPI or something like that. But yeah, they're tough. So I got them. I'll actually have that account back in a month. At right around $17. Right around 17 bucks. Because it's a recurring 90% off on that one, that 250K. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep trying to pass it until I can't. All right, oof, come on, man. Long off this Harami here. Looking for the high of this candle. Actually, looking for 93.50, which would be right at this gap, and then possibly higher, but we gotta hold this low. Stops at the low. We can take some heat, but stops at the low. I need that to hold. That's it. We're going lower. Full port short. So I do love that trade. So I take that trade all the time during New York. Basically, we sweep the low, make a new high or a low. We put in a Harami. I take the long, look for the basically looking for the reversal candle. Works very well. Did not work today though. Did not work today on this one. So. Market's going lower. I think that 602 is in play, right? Right down here, 601. All right, trying to get a little bounce here. You almost shorted gold. Let me get a look at gold. Wow, wow, gold taking off, guys. Gold ripping. Nasdaq pushing down, gold ripping. Nasdaq still pushing down here. What's silver doing? Whoa, silver taking off. So the metals are taking off. Makes sense why gold is tanking. Nasdaq's tanking right now. The ICT prodigy. All right, Mo. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Bouncing at that 660s. NQ buying a little bit. Short the NQ. Long gold, short NQ. I gotta take my take profit trader payout. So take profit trader guys has been paying out very quickly. I don't know if you guys have noticed those that have been taking payouts, but man, they've been quick. 1,022. Let's go. $1,022 on that one. And 1,007 on that one. So yeah, $1,600 today for a payout total. Take that. So they've been paying out pretty quick. Within like a few hours lately. I've been able to trade my Take Profit Trader accounts later in the night. So we'll see how fast they are today. Oh, JLD 54. Yeah, it's tough, man. See you helpful. Thank you. Yeah, Take Profit Trader is just it's tough. Psychologically, it's just so tough to get over. Get up there. My new strategy is never copy trade, take profit trader. Yeah. I mean, I'm telling you, I still get a little clenchy when I'm copy trading my pros. Just because, you know, you want to get those daily payouts. Come on. Short Nasdaq, long gold. See what happens. I have a few Bulanox evals here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 91% off. They're right around what, $16, something like that. $15.70. There is an activation fee though, $148, but we got a few of those cheap evals. Yeah, for sure. Can't see him. Oh, it's right. It's right here. So if this is negative 4, then that means I'm short. If it's a plus, then it's means I'm long. Gold with the big push up here, kind of stalling here at the top. We'll see if we can get some continuation. Nasdaq. I mean, I can't go long. Longs haven't worked all night. We are just getting kabooshed. Nasdaq and gold both putting in inside bars. Come on, gold. Get a little bounce here on gold. Getting kabooshed. Nasdaq pushing up now. God, I just can't buy one. Inside bar break. Goals. Jeez. God. Maybe a little VWAP bounce, maybe. DCAing, rotating accounts here on Buellnox. Trying to pass or smash. Nasdaq kind of consolidating. Gold trying to bounce off that VWAP. That's it for me, guys. Yeah, that's enough trying to smash a pass. It is not working for me tonight, so unfortunately, it's the kind of way it goes. But these are cheap evals. You know, I try to pass them very quickly. The funded account's what really matters. We're up 602 on the fundeds, so nice trade there. That was one trade earlier. Beautiful. Passed 6 Apex accounts and took $2,000 or $1,600 after the commissions out of Take Profit Trader today for a daily payout. So overall, it was a good day. I'm not gonna keep trying to pass or smash these. It's just not working for me tonight. So, anyways. Thank you so much for being here. What's my bias on gold and silver? Well, I kept trying to buy this little dip on to get a little continuation, but as far as my bias on Nasdaq, I could say short, but I think this 602 level down here, this is the data candle. I think this could be a target down here. If you want to hold a short, that could be a good one. But besides that, I ain't got much for you. I clearly do not have a good read on the market tonight. It's all good though. Thank you so much for being here. Please use code PINE, Apex, and Take Profit Trader and all that good stuff. If you guys are trading them, Bulanox, Tradeify, Pine with a capital P with Trade Day. If you'd like to help support the channel, I don't know, full port short maybe. Kind of want to just full port short this. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you. I'd love to get one Bulanox account passed tonight, but I like to load up all 3 on the Bulanox and then keep adding to my Apex accounts. I got 5 Take Profit Trader passed. Nice bounce off that 60. One more time. Gold trying to bounce as well. swept that low at 660s, bounced off it again. We do have those zero prints sitting up there at 693.50. We are full port. This is an intraday trailing account as well, so it's really hard to let it go all the way to 91, because if it pops up, you know, even the 70s 7 and then pulls back with max contracts, then you could lose the account. So sometimes it's best to just kind of scalp, but the 91's kind of up there just in case we get a little pop squeeze. Sometimes that just happens out of nowhere, right? And you pass the account, right? So hey, Wyatt Thompson, thank you so much. Appreciate you. Yes, Buellnox still got that 91% off going on, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate the support, bro. Shorted gold. Gold is... yeah. Uh-oh is right. Who knows? I mean, it seems kind of bull... I don't know. I just tried a long gold and I lost, but I was well oversized. So put in our Harami here. We're long off the Harami. Show you better over here. So this Harami candle. We push up above the 77s. I think we can pop. But overall, market very bearish. I think we do run that 602 at some point. Definitely no momentum to the upside. Like zero. Hey, one and FPS. My day today during New York was great. Haven't traded so well since I've been on stream, but yeah, I had a great day trading the FOMC. Not doing so well on these evals though. Alright, getting that push up here. I'm gonna take off some because there's intraday trailing here, so it's trying to push, but it's not hitting much momentum. Trying to fill that gap on the 5 minute. Looks like it just sort of did. Barely squeezing 10 points out of this. Barely. Oh, thank you, 1AN. Thank you, I appreciate that. So with intraday trailing, it's a good tip to scalp and to, you know, so what I like to do is scalp with size and then get in and out. That helps with the intraday trailing, because you know, intraday trailing kind of sucks, but you can get around it. You don't want to let it go too far your way and then come back against you, basically. So why did you tell me to get out of my gold short? I blame you. It's gold kabooshing now. Oh wow. Kryptonite Friedman, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Yeah, gold coming down, Nasdaq pushing up. This is looking good. Have zero print up there, 93. Zero print up there at 704. That'll be a nice trade. Jesse Wilkes, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. So I was supposed to get off earlier, but we're still on. Gold could bounce at the 200. Let's see. Looking for the Nasdaq to bounce here. Yeah, gold's getting a little bounce design off that 42.62, 10 cents. Nice little bounce. Could just be bear flagging again, too. That is a possibility. Guys, smash that like button if you guys are just tuning in. Thank you for tuning in. So far I have I smoked an Apex eval earlier. Up 602 on the 3 funded. Up unrealized. Well, I'm up 548 on this eval. I did blow 3 Buellanox evals. So kind of mixed tonight, but overall we had a good day. We took a $2,000 TPT payout, or I should say 1,600 and something, because of the 20% split, like 1,700 bucks in the pocket. And yeah, past 6 Apex accounts as well. Tweezer bottom on the 1 minute. Let's check out, let's see what gold. Yeah, gold's kind of, I'd love to see gold keep pushing down. I don't know if you're long, but that would be good for the Nasdaq. All right, getting that push up here, trying to push through that 80s. I'm gonna take one off here. Stops at break even on the last one. Gold trying to push down again. I'm gonna wait to see what this does here. If it puts in an inside bar on gold, I might take the break. Maybe we get a little more continuation. YCH or YC Hoods. What's going on? Thank you so much for the sub. Watching the gold here. Nasdaq looking pretty good. Slow grinding to 10 solid points. Looking for NQ to take out the daily gap above. Oh, I know. Yeah, that opening gap still up there. It's tiny, but it's still up there for sure. Back to gold here, a new 5 minute. Take a little long on gold. Let's look for a little scalp. So long Nasdaq, long gold. I got a bad fill on that. Real bad fill. Almost a point higher than I wanted. I might actually just look for a point scalp on the gold here. That was a bad fill. Yo, hourly fair value gap. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Actually, that's wrong. Nasdaq. Yeah, there's a few. Hourly looking pretty bullish. I like that. If you get a nice close of the hourly, puts in a harami here or a pin bar, and then taking a break at the hourly, we could actually get a push up there that's, you know, back into that gap. We'll see. I do think at one point, I don't know when, is we take out the 602 on the data candle, but it could be tomorrow morning, could be tomorrow afternoon, it could be Friday. Don't really know, but all right, trying to take a little scalp off gold off that inside bar. Got a horrible fill on it though. And we got the VWAP sitting right there. I might just, eh. I'm gonna take this gold off, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna take this gold off. I got a really bad fill on it. Made like 20 bucks off it. I already rejected off the VWAP. My fill was up here. I wanted it to be way down here off that inside bar. You can see it better on Intraday. So I play inside bar breaks. And there's the break of that inside bar. You see gold inside bar has been paying pretty well tonight. And took that one there. But the VWAP right there, that makes me a little nervous. Still long in Nasdaq though. Enrico! Simplistic videos, what's going on? I'm here, I don't know why. I'm feeling lonely tonight, I guess. I don't know. So if you guys are just tuning in and just finding my channel, I stream every single night, usually Sunday night through Thursday for the Globex Open. I trade all day. I create posts and short videos for you guys. I try to put out content every single day, whether it's a tweet or a post or a short video or a live stream, something. How does I trade inside bars? Yeah, I only trade 5-minute bar, 5-minute chart simplistic videos, but people do use it on higher time frames. So like the hourlies, things like that. Some people use it on a 15-minute too. Alright, we kind of filled this gap here. I think I'm going to take it off. I'm getting a little tired. But, we'll take that off. 887 on that trade. So yeah, full transparency. I did blow that Apex account and I blew a few the Buellnox accounts. We passed 6 Apex accounts. 602 on 3 funded Lucids. and took a daily payout on Take Profit Trader. Again, loving Take Profit Trader. And yeah, let's see what we can do with the Apex account. I'm gonna go eat supper, and get ready to do it again tomorrow. I'd love to get some Buellanox accounts passed though. But the market, so when you have intraday trailing, I like to scalp with heavy size, and when the market's you're not really having that big volatility, it's really tough to smash or pass intraday trailing accounts. So not really getting that movement. So I think that was a good exit right there. We filled that gap. Good turn down here. I am looking at that 602 to get run eventually, but teach his own. We also have a lot of room to the upside as well. We also have a gap that got left. So little daily opening gap, and obviously some fair value gaps on the way up too. And we also have zero prints up on the DOM, 693.50, 704.25, and a bunch way up there. So could keep pushing as well. So who knows? Tomorrow should be fun. We got unemployment numbers in the morning, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna get out of here. Stay tuned for the outro, and smash that like button if you guys are just joining. I really appreciate the support. Over 5,000 subs, and stay tuned for some more exciting things to come. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Later, guys.
I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine tree trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's a power move, a sign of something keen. Engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back. Giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. From Pine Tree Trader to Take Profit, we're on a roll. Tradify's the platform, we're in full control. Tradify's the engine, the